Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I guess last time we have did this one. Let's see again. Think we did this one. I guess right. Last time we did this one. So we are gonna do this one. Right. So we were given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. Return an area of their intersection. The intersection of two arrays is defined as the set of elements that are present in both arrays. Okay. Each element in the result must be unique, and you may I think we have done this one also. Let's see. Do you have any submissions? I guess we also did this one. But what did we do? We created a set, two sets. If I in count, right? We did this one too. So we're gonna do this one. So it is leetcode 350 intersection of two arrays 2. The problem statement goes like this. It's a easy level problem. Uh, Given two integer arrays, so we were given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2. We have to return an array of their intersection. Okay, each element in the result must appear as many times it shows in both arrays, and you may return the result in any order. Okay, if we have 9 ones, we should have one 9 only. We have 5 ones, and there is no 5. We have 4 ones, and we have to return one 4. uh, that's great. So let's do one thing. Let's sort. Well, let's do one thing. If let's take answer is equal to empty list, and if num of nums1 if nums1 is greater, else So for let's see how this will go. This seems it's working fine. Let's set a case where both have the same 9, 8, 8, 4. I have two nines here, 1, 4, 1, 8. Okay, well, this could become a problem. Okay. Let's not make it more complex. Let's do one thing. Let's take nums1 equals to counter of and nums1 of seems like this is working. Let's try submitting it and I'll explain the intuition. Great, it is working fine, and the space complexity is same as any other thing, and the time complexity seems we used 1 millisecond. That's not very different from 0 milliseconds, and let's see this is doing the same thing too. So the thing here why we have selected a dictionary is dictionary takes order of one time to do the search operation. So if we do get here, if the number does not become 0, or if the number does not exist, it will give none or 0, which refers to the false. Then the if condition won't be triggered, and if it does exist and it is not 0, then we are doing -1 here. We are removing 1 from the counter. So if the counter exceeds, then we won't be getting inside the loop. So it checks the valid case and adds it to the answer, and we are returning it. So I hope you guys understood the intuition and like the video. If you like the video, upvote it and share to the people from your community. Keep pushing hard, keep working guys, and meet you again with another video. Until then, goodbye.